All right, boys and girls, I'm gonna show you how to use these glue cups that I have. So each one of them has 2 brushes, just, you know, in case we have more people at the table than we normally do. So you can see that it has a little hole in the center, okay? So when you pick up your brush, it's gonna be really drippy. We don't want it to be that drippy, so you wanna drag it against that little hole down in there, okay? You just want a little bit of glue, okay? So I'm gonna get a piece of paper, all right? And what I wanna do is, I'm gonna cut something. So I'm gonna cut out my shape. Okay, put my scrap paper back in the basket. Here's my shape. Now, I'm gonna glue this shape to this paper. So I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna dot, dot, dot around the edges. If you need more, you can usually get it off the lip. Dot, dot, dot around the edges. If you want to smear it, you can, but it really just takes some dots. I'm going to put it on my paper, tap it, flip my paper over, and give it a little massage. We want to give it a little rub so that all of the glue spreads out evenly and sticks that paper. And see, look, now it's stuck. Okay, so around the edges, a little bit of glue, don't let it drip, okay? We don't want to constantly be wiping the tables. All right, here we go.